Beef brisket rubbed with butcher's blend spice mix, cooked slowly, then gently pulled apart and tossed with our original barbecue sauce. Hosting a hungry crowd? Make them these delicious beef brisket sandwiches. This recipe checks off all the boxes. It is easy to prepare, it is mighty tasty, and it is simple to serve. I'd like you to call your butcher, order a beef brisket, then get ready with an Instapot or a Dutch oven or a slow cooker. I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious beef brisket sandwich. Let's get going. Day before you intend to cook the brisket, we season it. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of our Butcher's Blend spice mix. Head to weekendatthecottage.com and check out all our products. You can purchase them online or click the handy store locator to find a retailer selling our products near you. Now, back to the recipe. 3 tablespoons of Butcher's Blend in a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, stir to combine. Next, sprinkle that seasoning mix on a 4-pound piece of brisket. Make sure to sprinkle and rub it onto both sides and the sides. Then wrap tightly and refrigerate overnight. The longer you cure that meat, the more heighten the flavor profile. We're recommending you cure that brisket for somewhere between 8 and 12 hours or longer. Then, the next day, pour 1 cup of water into a bowl and add 1 package of onion soup mix. Stir to combine, then pour it into the crock of your cooking vessel. Next, unwrap the brisket and grab a bottle of our original barbecue sauce. Tangy with a bit of sweet and just the right amount of heat, our barbecue sauce goes with everything. It's going to make 2 appearances in this recipe. First, we're brushing the top of the brisket with about 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. Then transfer the brisket to your crock or Instapot or Dutch oven. Lid goes on and we're cooking on a low setting for 8 hours. Then just walk away. We return after 8 hours. I gotta tell you, man, does this kitchen ever smell fab. A suggestion, I like to leave the brisket in the crock for an additional hour past that cook time. Gives the beef a little bit of a chance to soak up even more flavor. Let's continue. The lid comes off, we're lifting it. Wow, it is so tender, it's already pulling apart. We're gonna transfer the brisket to a platter, then you can gently pull it apart using 2 forks. Time for the second appearance of Weekend at the Cottage barbecue sauce. Transfer a bit of the pulled beef to a big bowl, add some of our sauce, pull the beef some more, add more sauce, and you continue until all the beef is in the bowl, then stir together and you got it. Add more Weekend at the Cottage barbecue sauce to taste. To serve, raise your right hand. I will not complicate this. We suggest hamburger or brioche buns. Kaiser buns work as well. A generous mound of the pulled beef goes onto each bun bottom. Then a slice of a favorite cheese, whether it be Swiss, cheddar, or mozzarella. Bun topper goes on, and yes, you are ready to enjoy. So simple. Of course, you can serve these beef brisket sandwiches for lunch or a snack, or how about those chilled, relaxed evenings when friends gather? Perfect. I like serving it with nothing more than pickles, chips, and maybe a coleslaw to go with. And your crowd will go wild just like ours always does. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. Yup, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And then when a beef brisket sandwich looks this delicious, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@the-cottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Wait until you try our beef brisket sandwiches. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna take a big bite of this sandwich right now and it's gonna make me very happy. I'm not gonna be able to tell you how delicious it is, but trust me, it is delicious. Until next time, enjoy. It's really good. Man.